Our customer needed a quick and easy way to personalize high volumes of bottles, cups, and the like. As completely new projects cost our customers time and money, we usually use workstations from the SpeedMarker series or the InMarker integrated laser series. Here we present a solution where a SpeedMarker 700 has been fitted with a CO2 laser, 3D function, and workpiece holder. As with all our Galvo systems, this system is controlled by the proven SpeedMark software. This makes it easy to process dynamic data. We have equipped a SpeedMarker workstation with a 3D function and a workpiece holder that allows the user to mark 4 of his cups at the same time. By eliminating the need for time-consuming clamping and setup or slow mechanical rotation, this solution enables cups, jars, bottles, and any other inclined surfaces, spheres, bowls, cylinders, and tubes to be labeled up to 100 times faster. Larger systems, such as a SpeedMarker 1300 with a workpiece carrier for an even greater number of parts, are also available on request. Thanks to the plug-in system, the workpiece carrier can be quickly assembled and disassembled as required. This means that the system can also be used for flat workpieces.
For more information, technical details, and the like, please visit our website or contact us.